Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Then again 12 minus 3 is equal to also 9. Then 3. So 9 multiply 3. Okay. So 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. And 81 multiply 3 is equal to 243. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Is equal to 12 minus 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Remove this parenthesis and it is a multiplication. 9 then multiply 3. Okay. Now according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So first we have to multiply this. So 12 minus 9 multiplied 3 is equal to 27. Then again 27 multiply 3. Okay. So 27 multiply 3 is equal to 81. So 12 minus 81. So is equal to 12 minus 81 is equal to minus 69. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 69. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.